Welcome to LSBUD's top-up service, our new supplementary service which offers even more to our users. To make the most of your LSBUD search inquiry and see the list of utility companies who operate in the area but aren't a member of LSBUD, then you will need to first make a new inquiry, as you normally would via the login portal. When you reach the end of your normal search inquiry, you will see the new Top-Up Service button at the top of the screen. Click on this and you will be taken to another screen, which hosts our brand new Top-Up Service. You will be given the choice of either Comprehensive or Essential Top-Up. Comprehensive Top-Up being the full package of what the new Top-Up Service can offer, compliant with PAS 128 and HSG 47. The Essential Top-Up being a more basic offering, and taking 5 days for only key networks and assets to be found. For now, we will proceed with the comprehensive package, as this will give us the best outcome for our search. Once we have clicked this, we can see a breakdown of the costs of service. Please note, disbursement charges are set by the asset owners, and the overall price of this can be depending on how big your search area is, and how many utility companies with assets operate in that area. Jumping forward to after the payment has been made, you will receive an email confirmation of your order, an email from LSBUD with a link that can take you back to your quote, taking you back to the top-up service basket online. You will also receive a top-up service report, whereby you will have responses from LSBUD showing the status of your quote and maps of your search with all utility companies that operate in that area. LSBUD's top-up service is all you need when planning to dig in the UK. Our top-up service makes us the one-stop shop, offering the full package. If you have any questions about our new service, then we are always available via our online help desk chat service or at inquiries@lsbud.co.uk, where we will be happy to help you where we can. From all of us here at LSBUD, thank you for your continued support and thank you for listening.